Are you planning to build your dream home in Bangalore? Confused about architectural design, structural design, safety, electrical layouts, and plumbing layout? What if everything could be done professionally, accurately, and affordably starting from just 30,000? Welcome to SCON Design India Private Limited, your trust partner in complete home design solutions. We provide architectural design, structural design, electrical layout design, plumbing design. We also used advanced 3D scanning and point cloud technology to deliver 2 to 3 accuracy as built service. Ensure unmatched precision. Why choose us? Why settle for average when you can get professional design at an affordable cost? Cost effective, starting from just 30,000. High accuracy, latest technology, based design, expert team, skilled architect and engineers, complete solution, all services under one roof, fast delivery, efficient and reliable execution. Whether you are build a villa, independent house or renovation project, we have got you covered. Customer benefits. A well-designed home layout, strong and safe structure, proper electrical and plumbing planning, zero errors during construction. That's exactly what we deliver. Because a good design does not just save money, it's a save you from the future problems. Call to action. Why you are waiting? Your dream home deserve the best design. Book your design today. COD, cash on delivery available. Get start with SCON Design India Private Limited. Contact us now and turn your vision into reality. Why do I need professional design before building? A professional design ensure safety, proper space utilization, and avoid cost mistakes during construction. Can I get complete home design in one place? Yes. Swan Design India Private Limited provide architectural, structural, electrical, and plumbing design are under one roof. In the pricing really starting at 30,000? Yes. Basic design package start from 30,000 depending on your project requirement. How accurate you are in design. We use 3D scanning and point cloud technology with an accuracy of 1 to 2 ensure precision planning. Do you provide design for renovation? Absolutely. We handle both new construction and renovation projects. Why should I choose SCON Design India Private Limited? Affordable pricing, high innovation technology, experienced professionals, end-to-end solutions. What is COD in design services? COD, cash on delivery, means you can pay once you are satisfied with the service. Building trust and transparency. How do I get started? Simply contact SCON Design India Private Limited today and book your design consultation.